Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. Yeah guys, update on Faraday Future. The pre-market is just open right now and we can see after our 74% run to the upside that we have here, or it's at least it starts here to have a small pullback in the pre-market. Yeah guys, the good and the bad news. What do you want to hear first? Let's start with the good news. The good news is that all price levels that I showed in my previous videos, have been reached absolute on the dot 100% successfully, guys. Yeah, we had our first squeeze here, so you have to listen very careful, guys, what I say now. This is very important for everybody who is still invested here in Faraday Future. The first technical squeeze is technically over, guys. What does that mean? So we had here a 10,000% squeeze, which is absolute ridiculous. With ridiculous volume also yesterday, ridiculous volume, 700 million. I cannot even not spell that number, guys. 700 million volume in one day. And we had an absolute perfect pullback to the 786 retracement. You can see all my previous videos, guys. Yeah, it doesn't matter which stock that is. It doesn't matter how manipulated stock that is. You always have this kind of retracements. Then you have a retest of the golden pocket or the 0.5 level, a rejection. And if you don't close over the 0.5 level, then the squeeze is technically over, guys. So we have now here huge volume, and even if we pulled back here to 76 cents, don't forget we came here from 3 cents, guys. So we are still, of course, in a massive squeeze, but technically the first squeeze is over. So what does that mean? I want to show you that really quick now here. So we had this maximum peak here was $3.90. Here 3 cent 80 was our lowest level. So this is 10,000%, guys, 10,000%. And then we had this massive candle here. You can see the 4 hours chart. I'm here in the 4 hours chart. We had this massive candle in one day. Exactly here, this red line is the 786 Fibonacci retracement. I keep that here very simple in the chart. And I said when you retrace to that level, you normally retest the golden pocket. And the golden pocket is here in the $1.80 range, guys. We even retested yesterday $2.15, this green line, which is still our main resistance. And if we close, guys, and this is now very, very important, yeah? Don't think I say the squeeze is over. The first technical squeeze is over, guys. So when we want to see now a second squeeze, because you have a squeeze, then you come down, you have a post squeeze, and then normally you will not go higher from there. You will maybe retouch a few more times here, $2.15. But if we don't close over $2.15, guys, the first squeeze is over. Which does mean, so I can delete now this price levels here, because that was exactly what I say will happen here. We will have this retracement here on the red line, come back here at least in the green level, and then this is the biggest point of resistance is this zone here, $2.15, here $2 to $2.15, guys. And this is exactly what happened with this move yesterday. A lot of my members sent me emails. They made a lot of profit here because that was still, guys, here a 212% move. That's why sometimes you really should consider if you really want to hold a stock as long as you can, or if you just take these swing trades here, because technically every stock, guys, do the same. You can see all the videos here on my channel. It's always the same for every stock. So that means we can delete this green box here. We don't need that anymore. And this is still here our main resistance. So if Faraday Future closes a price over $2.15, guys, that means, the first wave is over and the second wave will start. And then we can see how high this will squeeze. The price levels are unchanged. We have the strongest liquidity zone here between $3 and $3.59. And as soon as we close over $2.15, guys, this is the trigger for the second squeeze, guys. So this is the first wave. It's over. Technically perfect. Everything done. But I mean, we're still trading here at $1.80, guys. We came here from 3 cents 80. So don't get me wrong. We are, of course, still here in a squeeze. Guys, if you missed that one, or if this is too risky for you because Faraday Future maybe got a Nasdaq extension, I still have no official information on that. It is possible that the stock gets delisted. Be very careful with that. I have a lot of short squeeze stocks on my channel. I cannot repeat that often enough, guys. Don't FOMO in stocks like that if you don't know what you do. If you know the technicals, that was a very, very easy swing trade here. That was exactly what I said in my last video. And then it's, of course, very, very easy to trade the swing here. But if you bought in here in that levels, guys, over $2.15, it can be dangerous. I make here yeah, short squeeze stocks. I upload them here every week on my channel. I call them the so-called hot stocks. I made this latest video here. I uploaded this video on Sunday, guys. Yeah, I always do that before Monday, before the market starts, that you have time to prepare your trades for these hot stocks. There is no guarantee. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Everything what I say here is not a financial advice, but I showed here five different tickers in this video on Sunday and yesterday, guys. Yesterday on Monday, we had in one day 2 squeezes of these tickers here. 2 of those tickers which I show in this video squeezed 118%. That was the first one, and the other one was 117%, guys. This is, you know, there is not much more I can do for you to, you know, make something like a finest selection of tickers, show them in a video before they squeeze, yeah, give you my opinion, give you the price levels. You have to decide if you want to trade these tickers or not. This is not my decision, and you of course have to decide if you want to follow these trading instructions or not. But this is all I can do for you guys, yeah. And I of course give you here my honest opinion based on Faraday Future. If you want to see, guys, these short squeeze tickers, yeah, the so-called hot stocks, yeah, then you have 2 ways to see that here. You can join the Elite Circle membership here on YouTube. Then you have access to these hot stocks. We're growing here every day, guys. We have a few hundred members already, and this is what I really appreciate, because I get a lot of good feedback from my members. You know, I can make tutorials, I can show how to trade and so on. Of course, you get also my feedback here, or you can also join the Ultimate Black Belt membership here on Patreon. This membership has also access to the hot stocks, guys, and additionally this membership has access to my swing trade alerts. Yeah, I call them the swing trade alerts. This is a screenshot where I show you also swing trade tickers, how to trade them with entry level, exit level, stop loss and so on. So this is very helpful and convenient for people who don't have time to watch all my videos, since I upload here videos every day, guys. So the links for the memberships are in the video description, guys. Hurry up. At some point, because a lot of new members floated in, at some point I may have to limit these memberships, guys. Yeah. So guys, so now let's go back here to Faraday Future. Yeah, this is quick and easy here. We have here this Fibonacci retracement. This is done. It's simple like that. As soon as we close over $1.97, I show you this trend line now here. I will draw that for you. $1.97 is the first level. If we close over $1.97, that would be very bullish. We need, yeah, this is what people always do wrong. We are here in the 4 hours chart, guys. Yeah, this is the 4 hours chart. So I switch now here to the 1-day chart. So we need a full candle body over $1.97. That would be bullish, but that does still mean that we're trading below this bearish liquidity zone here. That's why I say even technically the price is $1.97. It would be much better if we see here a candle over $2.15. So why do I say the first squeeze is over? We have open gaps to the downside. Don't forget that, guys. Yeah, there is no reason for Faraday Future for that squeeze. Yeah, it is not like big institutions buying in. This is a pump and dump action, and we have open gaps here in the daily chart. So here is one open gap at 36 cents. So technically, guys, sooner or later this thing will come down to 36 cents. Maybe they will do a reverse stock split and the chart change. Yeah, because normally that happens after such a pump and dump. Then they start to dilute the stock and make stock splits. They have to do something to survive on the Nasdaq, and we are still not safe, guys, because we have to trade over $1 for 10 consecutive business days. Yeah, 10 days. So we have here day 1, day 2, day 3. So we need here a few more days over $1. It looks very good right now, but as I said, don't forget that we have still no Nasdaq compliance. In my opinion, they just get an extension here and they could still get delisted. This is very important. Yeah, what is the bear scenario, guys? The bear case is the short sellers bring the price below $1, holding the price here below $1. That will be their goal. Yeah, don't forget, we have here huge volume, and now I want to show you here the indicators. Of course, the RSI is completely overbought. We can also extend this line here just for fun. Yeah, and we still have no touch point here. This is what I expect, to be honest, but the RSI is not important here. Important are the EMA lines. So I have to switch, sorry guys for the ping pong, but I have to switch one more time here to the 4 hours chart, and you can see how the EMA lines are supporting the price here. We have absolute strong support over the lines, which means, guys, nothing changed here. If we close below the purple EMA line here, which means automatically my red line here, 76 cents. If we close under this price level, that is absolute bearish, guys. We don't want that. We want to stay over $1. We want to stay over these EMA lines here. So pause the video right now, see where the lines are, and copy the price levels here, guys. I can just recommend that, yeah. So simple like that. Over $1, it's a neutral position. Below 76 cents, bearish. Over $1.97 bullish, over $2.15 absolute mega ultra bullish, guys. Yeah, simple like that. Yeah. So guys, you can pause the video if you want to copy the trend lines here. I'm using TradingView here for all my chart techniques. Yeah. Also the link here for a TradingView discount is in the video description. Yeah, the last days a lot of people use this link here. I can see that when they register up, guys. So if you don't have TradingView, use this link here, register up. You save $15 on your subscription, and I always recommend the Plus subscription, guys. Yeah, I can just tell you that, guys, if you want to learn trading, yeah, this is the way how to do it. Yeah, you have to read the charts here. I have no idea what is going on here in the background on Faraday Future, and I honestly also don't care. The chart is telling me everything I need to know. That is the reason, guys, why I predicted here already 3 short squeezes for Faraday Future. Every time when I made a video here, a few days later, we had our short squeezes, yeah, and that's why I say this is everything based on algos, and that's why, yeah, most of the price actions, including the price action from yesterday here with 200%, is very predictable, and that's why I also can predict here other short squeeze stocks on my channel, yeah, when you want to see that, guys. Check out the hot stocks. Guys, thank you so much. I wish you great success here with Faraday Future. I hope, of course, for everybody that we squeeze over $2.15. Then we can talk here about the next price levels. I wish you great success. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, viel Erfolg. Bis zum nächsten Video. Alles Gute. Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much.